Hi, second graders. Today is Thursday, May 15th, 2020. You are going to start your day off with a Google Meets at 9:30 this morning. So make sure at 9:30 you click on the link and join our second grade Google Meets. Then you are going to complete a RAS Kids read the story and then take the comprehension quiz. I also want you to free write for 20 minutes. Write a story, or maybe you're going to write a letter to somebody or a couple people. And then you are going to read to self for 20 minutes. After that, you have a couple optional tasks. You can listen to Mrs. Mettert read a story. You can watch the author's purpose video. Remember, authors write books for a reason. They might be to persuade you, to convince the reader of a certain point of view. It might be to inform you, to teach you and give you information about something, or to entertain you, to just for fun, to have you read for enjoyment. Okay, and then you can click on the C2, identify the author's purpose of the passages, read the passage, and identify why did the author write that. Was it to persuade you, to convince you of something, to inform you, or to entertain you? And then lastly, you can partner read for 15 minutes or read to Mrs. Mettert on Seesaw if you would like. Have a great day, and I hope to see you at 9:30 for our Google Meets.